Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Deepsight Harmonizer. First, ensure you have downloaded and installed the software correctly. Once installed, launch the application and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. This includes setting your user preferences and connecting your primary data sources. It's a straightforward process designed to get you up and running quickly. Next, let's focus on getting your data into the system. Import your raw datasets directly into the Harmonizer interface. You'll then need to define each data field and its type, ensuring accurate mapping. Crucially, configure your harmonization rules to standardize any disparate data formats, making your information consistent across all sources. This step is vital for effective data integration. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love learning and reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading technical manuals or just relaxing with a good book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the core process, running the harmonization. Initiate the process to apply all your defined rules to the imported data. After completion, carefully review the harmonized output. This allows you to catch any discrepancies or errors before finalizing. Finally, export your clean, unified data in your preferred file format, ready for analysis or further use. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.